Hi, my name is Alan Voorhees, and I'm the Director of Active Defense Training for Reflex Protect. And in this short video, we're going to show you how to use the new 1.9 ounce pocket-sized Presidia gel. Before I do that, I'd like to let you know why we have this new pocket size. Reflex Protect started with a patented spray head and a 5-ounce container that's being used in hospitals, schools, churches, businesses, and government offices all over the country. However, a lot of our customers said, we want something smaller that will fit in a pocket or a purse more easily. And also, while this holster is fine for certain security, some of our law enforcement clients have said, we want something smaller because that's just too much real estate on an already full utility belt. So we came up with the smaller 1.9 pocket sized. Now the nice thing about this, it has the same Presidia gel that's in the larger cans, which doesn't atomize, which means you can spray it inside and it will only affect the person you spray. All bystanders, yourself, anybody else in the room will not be affected. And because it's Presidia gel, our unique Decon, Reflex Remove, also called NCS Fast, will clean up surfaces and decon an individual more rapidly than any other decons on the market. So it makes a total system. You can have this in the office, this beside your bed, and carry this in your pocket or your purse, wherever you need personal proximate protection. To actually use the smaller 1.9 pocket-sized Presidia gel is pretty simple. It comes with a safety that's just a flip top. So when you hit the top, that's not going to do anything. You push up there and you stick your thumb in here to use and to activate it. Now some people might want to use their finger. I don't advocate this for a couple reasons. One, sometimes you have a tendency to shoot a little bit low, but also you don't have as firm a grip on the canister. I want you to hold that canister tight and then put your thumb. So even if you get that person and he's rushing you blind, he's not going to knock this out of your hand. And you could also use it as an impact weapon if you had to get him away and spray him again. So you're just going to be much better if you're holding it with a nice secure grip. The thumb goes inside and then presses down to spray. Now I have Bob 12 feet away, we measured that, a good distance, because you want to stop a person before they get close to hurt you. That's why we call it proximate protection. It can protect you from that distance. So if you're using my left hand, I would hold tight, the safety's up, you put your thumb in there, and then you press down. And you aim right for the face, and you saturate the eyes. The eyes are the target you want to aim for. While it will affect other mucous membranes, the nose, the mouth, it affects the eyes the most. One of the best analogies I heard one time talking about chemical agents, you can go outside and lay in the sun all day. You might get sunburned and be uncomfortable, but how long can you lay out and open your eyes and stare at the sun? That's what this spray is like. So rather than getting on the body, we want to hold it tight, thumb in, and spray right across the face, saturating the eyes. That's what's going to stop your attacker. We just wanted to provide a quick shot of using the actual Presidia gel. We stepped outside, not because it would affect us inside, it's just a little easier to clean up. Now all we have to do is wipe down Bob's face with Reflex Remove. Don't have to wipe down the wall if I miss or something like that. So we just did it for ease of convenience of cleanup. You can use this indoors. So let's look at an actual spray of the actual product at Bob. Firm grip on the can, thumb goes inside, press, saturate the eyes. As you saw, this is easy to use, but it will only be as effective as the access you have to it and the training you've done so you can deploy it quickly and accurately. And remember, it's not your job as a civilian to hurt others, to apprehend others. What you use this tool for is to stop a threat from hurting you so you can escape to safety. If you have further questions about Reflex Protect, please contact a Reflex Protect representative and we'll be happy to assist you.